If you're installing AK Athletics removable wall padding, this guide shows you exactly how we build our aluminum strips and how to install them yourself for a clean, secure setup. Each pad comes with a top aluminum strip with an industrial hook and loop system already applied. If you ordered an additional strip, that can be used along the bottom for extra support. We cut our aluminum strips to match the width of each wall pad, typically in 4-foot sections. One side of the strip is lightly sanded to prep it for bonding. We then apply an even layer of adhesive and attach an industrial fastening strip, pressing firmly across the full length to ensure a strong hold. Now this is where you start. Begin by drilling through both the fastening strip and aluminum at the correct spacing for your wall. At that point, the strips are ready to be installed on the wall. Measure and mark where the top of your pads will sit. Use a level to make sure your line is perfectly straight across. Line up your aluminum strips along that marked line and secure them to the wall using appropriate screws. If possible, mount directly into studs. Make sure each strip is tight, level, and fully secured before moving on. Now it's time to hang your pads. Each pad already has a fastening strip attached to the back. Simply line it up with the strip on the wall and press it firmly into place. Check that everything is aligned and level. Once installed, the pads will stay secure through regular use, while still being easy to remove when needed. And that's it. Your wall padding is installed and ready for training. Safe, secure, and built to perform. Train hard, train safe.